We talk about our pets as well. I don't have pets, but for those who do have pets, you got to be careful as well, taking the pets outside. It's really dangerous.
You do. It's just freezing so fast. You know, it's like get out, do the business with Basil, and get right back inside and get her paws warmed up because it is chilly out there. And it has been. We're kind of getting used to it at this point, but Betsy says there's more to come.
There is more to come, and we're going to throw some snow in there to boot. You know, tomorrow morning, more of the same. Temperatures in the teens, light northerly winds, mostly cloudy skies. You kind of know the drill by now, right? This is where it's the same story, different day, Groundhog Day all over again. But out to the west, there's a series of disturbances that are going to be moving through, the first of which will bring us light snow showers tomorrow. I don't even know if we're going to be able to classify them as snow showers. I think more or less it's going to end up being flurries that we get, and that's not going to add up to much of anything. Here's your National Design hour-by-hour forecast. Notice we have an east-northeast wind, temperatures in the teens, so the wind chills will still be down around 10 or so. And flurry chances are going to be rather hit or miss across the area. Mostly cloudy skies will prevail in the meantime. And the temperatures tomorrow afternoon will likely get back into the mid and even upper 20s. For a lot of folks, this is probably going to feel like a bit of a heat wave. So a nice day to get out if you have anything to do, want to get the kids out, go sledding, do it up. Just remember to layer up. You should know that by now. And those flurry chances will linger even as we get into the evening hours. That's when temperatures are going to start to slide again as we get into early Sunday morning. How much snow is coming tomorrow? Not a lot. Maybe a candy coating on top of what's already there. All right, I showed you this just a couple minutes ago. These are all of the active and soon to be active alerts in the country. That's a lot of active weather going on. Everything along the nation's northern border is all cold related. Farther south, though, the blues and the pinks, this is the winter storm. And that winter storm right now is sitting right here in the northern Pacific. This is the one we showed you yesterday. This storm system will ride right along the edge of all that Arctic air, dive down into the deep south, hang a left, and come our direction. So we are definitely in the crosshairs on this one. Let's take a look at what's going on. This will move inland across the Four Corners region as we go through the day tomorrow. Watch how then once we get into Saturday and Sunday, it takes a dive to the south. This is where things start to get a little bit interesting because there's actually going to be two separate areas of snow that begin to develop, one of which will take its time in getting here on Monday. So we're going to have a wave of snow coming in the morning on Monday, a second wave that will move up Monday night and then through the area on Tuesday. It's that second wave, that one's going to have a little bit more of a punch. So we'll get an initial few inches of snow and then that second wave of snow that's coming later in Monday and then into Tuesday. Focus on the impact, not the numbers. I know there is a lot of junk that is out on the internet right now. Please don't share anything unless you know exactly where it's coming from. Notice I don't have any numbers on here. All we're doing is looking at where the most likely path of the heaviest snow is, and it comes right over the Buckeye State. But again, this is forecast totals for the next 7 days. Snow expected Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. That's why you're seeing some of these crazy extreme numbers because it's several systems strung together in that. So the three things you need to know. Monday, we have waves of snow, one in the morning, another in the evening. Heavy snow Monday night into Tuesday morning. We're probably going to get a winter storm watch coming our way. And then by Thursday, snow and an icy, perhaps rain mix moving in. That's really going to make a mess of things. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. We're going to be cold as we head through Valentine's Day, starting off next week with that snow and cold in place. It's going to be pretty brutal. But by the time we get to Thursday, it's an icy mix. And then finally, maybe next weekend, mostly sunny and temperatures in the 30s. Sarah, there's hope.
The heat wave is coming.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Betsy.